everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back home. Last month I came back home to Nigeria after touring all West Africa. Not all, but few countries in West Africa. I decided to come home, rest and do it again because traveling is my calling. I love to travel. I hate staying in one place, so I just love traveling. Okay, so today I said, okay, let's get back to work. I stepped away from my channel for 1 month. Yeah, if you want to know why I stepped away from this channel for 1 month, comment down in the comment sections. I want to know so I can make a video telling you why I stayed away from this channel for 1 whole month. And you know, it will affect the channel if you stayed long. If you stayed away from your channel for that long, it's gonna affect your views. All right, yeah. So today's challenge is about what can 1,000 naira cook in this present Nigeria. That is a challenge. All right, so I will go right now at the bus stop and get the things I want to cook for 1,000. If it can cook a pot of soup, this 1,000 naira is less than $1 for that, maybe like $0.888. It's less than $1. So let's see what this can cook, if this can give us a pot of soup or not. So come along with me as we do this together, guys. I miss it so much. You know, I've been away for like long time and I'm super happy that I came back. You know, I give God the glory because every day I wake up, I just thank God because it's not easy. A lot of people who sleep don't not wake up. It's not because God hates them, but because it's their time. When your time comes, nothing you can do. All right, yeah. So we give God the glory for taking me to all these West African countries and bringing me back. I think I toured like 8 or 9 countries in 2 months. Yeah, so let's go straight into this challenge. Don't forget to share this video, comment, like, and yeah, let's do this, guys. Today we have sun. It's always been raining since I came back, but today we have sun. As you can see, it's sunny. Yeah, sunny but not too much sunny. Right now I'm outside the streets. I'm heading to the bus stop. There is new yam. How much?
This one? About 3.5.
Oh, 3.5. Not small one.
Not small. How much one?
1.5 or not there?
2.5. That's that.
2.5. Oh, okay. They got no small one there. Oh, guys, that is a new yam. That is new yam. I think old yam is out of stock, so now we have new yam in the market. Go, and I do 200. And I want I need. Take this one. This orange goes sweet. It's sweet. The black, it green well. And Lagos orange. Lagos orange is like this. Lagos orange. So they get different Lagos orange. I'm sorry. I'll buy egg. Egg. Thank you. They'll collect this one. They'll collect that sharp. Yes. I will collect that when I come tomorrow. If I'm coming, I will come and buy again. I'll buy egg. Thank you. How much? Madam, 100 naira. Wow, so I just got home now, and these are the things I got. Remember, yeah, I have 3 eggs here, which is 600 naira, and I have pepper, the one I bought for 100 naira. Yeah, this pepper, this is the one I bought for 100, and then this one I have it at home, so no need to buy. Also, I have cubes at home, no need to buy. Also, I have oil at home, no need to buy oil. So these are the things that I got for 1,000. This one is Lucas beans, 100 naira. So let's start the process. First and foremost, I'm going to wash this pepper. I've washed it before, but I washed it twice. And now I'm losing sleep. It's a very simple vegetable soup with egg. I get it right. Okay. I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. This is the onions. It'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. I have to check sand. Sometimes there's sand inside. Depends the person that made it anyways. All I wanted was to be alone. All I wanted was to be alone. So guys, the washing of this leaf is 3 times or even more. Wash until you don't see any sand, then you are good to go. So I'll wash it off camera and we'll continue to cut the video short. And to put the leaf inside. To put in the eggs. Cover it to simmer. Yeah, our soup is ready. So this is what 1,000 naira can get us in our obodo Nigeria. I think it's alright. I think it's okay now. I have to bring it down, guys. Yeah, looks nice though. So this is what our 1,000 naira could get us to cook. Or this is the one person soup. Our obodo Nigeria. So I have to put water for amala. Yeah, I think I'm going to test the soup now. I'll tell you guys how it tastes like. Let's test the soup. Since I cooked it, I have not tested it. Let's test it, guys. Delicious. You see? Keep it aside. I'm boiling water for swallow. Yeah. I have to come back. Yeah. So our food is ready now. Let us try it, guys. I cook amala. Let's try the soup. Simple meal. Let's have a bite. I'll tell you how it tastes like. So delicious. I love amala. My favorite. Not really, but I love amala. Okay guys, so I think I'll eat off camera now. Yeah, and I'll cut the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, the reason why I could cook for 1,000 naira is because I have some items at home, like the oil, the Maggi. Yeah, I have some pepper at home, and I also have onions at home. Okay, so trust me, 1,000 naira cannot cook in Nigeria. Not anymore. If it was when we were buying pepper for 20 naira, yeah, it can, but not anymore. Everything is expensive now. So 1,000 naira, $1 cannot cook in Lagos. I don't know about the villages, but Lagos state, I don't think so. But everything is expensive. Oh, we used to buy egg 20 naira. Yeah, we can, but now one egg is 200. So I only got 3 eggs. Yeah, so I don't think 1,000 naira can cook here. Maybe 2,000 can, but 1,000 no. So let me eat my meal off camera. Talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like. There's love in sharing as always. Come and join me, of course. If I wish I can share my food through the camera with you guys, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.